Now for the third subtask of this project, what we are going to do is we are going to compare the guess given by the user to the one generated by the computer. So what we have to do, as explained at the start, we have to make sure that it prints out cold if the output is greater than plus or minus 10 of the actual number, and we should print hot if the output is in plus or minus 10 range of the actual number. So this is same as the previous subtask. Then what we are going to do is here we are going to define the condition for printing hot or cold. So here get random number is same as the previous subtask, and over here what we are doing is we are defining the conditions for which cold and hot or right should be printed. Basically, if the guess is greater than the plus 10 range of the number and or less than the minus 10 range of the number, it should print out cold. Else if the number is equal to the guess, then we're going to print right, or else we're going to return hot, because which would mean that the number is in the plus or minus 10 range of the actual number. Then we're going to take input from the user as to which number the user would like to guess. Then we're going to pass it on to this function, and if it is returned as right, then we're going to get the output message, you guessed it right, or else it's going to print the actual output given here. So let's see how this code works. So if I give 144, I am close to the number. Let's run it again. So since I am in outside the plus or minus range of the number, it's giving us cold.